Let's go with this one. Yes, I did already start, but I did stop myself. Nope, that's the wheat bread. We don't have that. That's new. Alright, let's see. We're just gonna start opening. Maybe if I can get it open. We got the little turmeric shot. That's new. We got the Hershey's. I think this is our first dupe, unless the other one, this one's tinier than the other one. I can't remember. We'll see. It's new! It's the IHOP! I don't have that one yet. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look how cute that is. Oh. My goodness. My fridge is going to be full after these. 3 more. Oh, that's a dupe because we have the fish already. Oh, it's the bacon, unless it's a different type. I don't remember the other flavor bacon we have. Oh, that's not. I don't know, this one feels different. It's the freaking, what is this? It's in the eggplant. I about said zucchini. It's the eggplant. We don't have that yet.